Libra. This is a Libra Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus collective reading for the month of October. For your personal reading, kindly send me a direct message. Kamusta mga Libra? Kamusta? Indecisive pa rin ba? Sobra-sobra pa rin bang bothered sa opinion ng ibang tao? Sobra-sobra pa rin bang controlled ng ibang tao ang desisyon mo sa buhay? This is a Libra Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus collective reading for the month of October. Let's see kung anong meron para sa mga Libra. Okay. Nakagawa ba ng mga tamang desisyon? This is a Libra Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus collective reading for the month of October. Okay. Happy birthday, Libra. Let's see kung anong meron. Collective energy, please. Libra, collective energy, please. Collective energy. Love, life, personal development, kabuhayan, kaperahan. Mga lessons in life. Let's see kung ano meron para sa ating mga Libra. This is a Libra Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Collective reading for the month of October. Libra, collective energy, please. Libra. Alright, let's see. Libra. Decision. Yan tayo eh. Dapat talaga nagkakagawa na ng mga decision. I feel the feminine in this connection, sobra-sobra na siyang nagpo-pull back ng kanyang pagmamahal, pagtitiwala sa masculine. Marami daw insincere na promises, pag-uusap. Marami daw dishonest energy sa relationship na to. Sabi ng feminine, naging honest naman siya sa masculine na pag hindi na bago, pag hindi na ayos ang energy ng relationship, ay parang hindi na niya gusto na magstay. But, umasa pa rin ng feminine na sana magkaroon ng magandang energy or outcome ang situation, ang love situation na to. Marami kayong natutunan about this connection, on how to adjust, how to handle each other, how to meet each other halfway. But, tinimbang ka ngunit kulang. Marami pa rin disagreements, hindi pagkakasunduan. Okay? You try to not to start a fight, you try to avoid conflict, but someone in this relationship is not ready for a commitment. Parang hindi buo, no? Hindi sigurado, kaya ramdam ng other party, ng other person, na siya lang yung ready, yung isa parang 50-50 or one foot at the door. Libra, I feel nag-expect ka na sana magkaroon ng positive transformation sa relationship na to. Wala namang problema sa'yo na magkaroon na magbigay ng sacrifices about this relationship. Basta gusto mo lang is pareho kayong nag-i-invest at pareho kayong pareho kayong invested and committed sa relationship na to because gusto mo ng victory, gusto mo ng long-term commitment. But I feel nagkaroon ng decision here na napagod na ipaglaban ang relationship na to. That's why I feel kinailangan nyo na parang you go that way, your person go this way. Okay? Parang pareho nyong kinailangan ng time apart. Right now, parang nagde-decide ka ano ba talaga yung tamang gawin. And you're patiently waiting na like, meron ka ring hinihintay na actions or sign from your person na talagang committed siya at inaayos din niya yung relationship with you. Marami ka ring hinihintay sa kaperahan, kabuhayan, but sabi mo parang yung wheel of fortune or swerte ay pareho kang inaalat, pag-ibig at kaperahan. Let's see, okay? If you're manifesting abundance, Brazilian citrine, the yellow and happy crystal. Okay? If you're manifesting harmony sa relationship and to heal your heart chakra, the pink crystal, Madagascar rose quartz. Okay? Mental clarity and stronger connection with your intuition, amethyst, the purple crystal. Protection, Madagascar, black tourmaline. Okie dokie. So, recent past, I feel nahirapan ka to connect with your intuition, you're praying, you're asking guidance kay God, but parang nahihirapan ka na like tansyahin, no? Intuition ba to? Overthinking ba to? Are you just being paranoid? Message ba to ni God? Or is it just your fear and trauma from the past na baka may maulit na naman na situation na hindi mo gusto? Ginawa mo naman lahat ng alam mo na tama. Kumbaga, the best that you know how to fix the situation. Na magkaroon ng ayos na energy sa relationship, sa family, okay? But I feel nagkaroon ng disappointment sa'yo, kaya sabi mo parang gusto mo munang umatras, kumalas, lumayo, mag-isip, mapag-isa. Ate Charo, ginawa ko naman ang lahat. Sabi ng feminine sa connection na to, okay? Emotionally, trying to withdraw from the situation para hindi masyadong masaktan. Alright? Prayers and manifestations, humihingi ka ng sign kay God kung talaga bang eto na ang final na sign na hinihingi mo para talagang totally and permanently and like mag-walk away na sa connection na to. Pagod ka na. Libra, you might be dealing with a Virgo, Leo, Aqua. Pareho mong Libra, Virgo. Okay. Right now, marami kang iniisip. Focus ka sa wish fulfillment mo. At tahimik ka, which is the best thing to do. Tahimik ka sa mga financial, especially financial manifestations mo. Okay? Baka mabad juju. Your person. Strong pa rin ang feelings ng person mo para sa'yo. But nag-iisip siya kung tama bang mag-usap na kayo or wag muna. Your person is also trying to avoid conflict with you. Meron ka mga fear and doubt, again, kung tama bang mag-walk away na, temporary lang ba tong distansya, or talagang permanent at i-close na ba talaga ang chapter na to. Libra, I feel until the end of this year, the masculine in this connection, meron siyang mga lessons in life, okay, na kailangang matutunan. This masculine also, meron siyang distorted view of love, life, and how to take care of his feminine, of his queen. Iba kasi yung energy of hindi mo alam at willing kang matuto. This time, I feel may readiness na yung masculine to know saan ba siya nagkamali at kung saan niya aayusin. Okay? Magkakasubukan lang dito, like, oo, alam na niya, but magkukomit ba siya na dire-diretso niyang gawin itong commitment to make things work out with the feminine. Meron pa rin akong nakikitang dishonest energy, possible betrayal, because of, like, eto na naman yung sasabing napakaliit na bagay, hindi na naman natupad. And because of that, someone would feel defeated. I feel also the masculine, no? Pipilitin ng masculine na magbago, na i-upgrade ang kanyang pagkatao. But hindi talaga madali. Alam mo yan, maraming nakasanayan na hindi na ubra right now sa relationship na to. Maraming natutunan, upbringing na hindi na applicable right now if you're manifesting a better life situation. Okay? Meron na naman akong natatanaw na possible betrayal na parang even the smallest of the promises na parang pag naging komportable, kampante na naman to masculine na to, isipin niya na, bakit pa niya gagawin? Nandyan lang naman si feminine. Okay? Meron ako nakikitang pag-uusap, reconnection, reconciliation over and over again. Pero paano nga ba ito mababago? Commitment na baguhin at ayusin ang relationship na to commit to like bettering yourself. There's an energy again of sadness. And for some of you, if kino-consider nyo lang na magbalikan para sa bata, I don't know if yun talaga yung tamang gawin. Yung masculine sa connection na to, marami siyang inaayos about kabuhayan, kaperahan, and being really responsible and reliable. Parang may pagka in and out, no? Yung energy ng masculine na to. Hindi siya reliable. I don't know. Commitment at kayo sa free will nyo, kayo lang ang makakapagpabago ng sitwasyon na to. If you'll be doing the same toxic habits over and over again, I don't know, parang hinihintay nyo na lang na maumay at masawa at magising na lang kayo na fall out of love na talaga kayo sa isa't isa. Something has to change for the better. Okay? Wala akong nakitang good news. Very hopeful pa naman ako. But syempre, kung ano man yung energy na meron dito, nasa free will nyo pa rin eh. Diba? So, yeah. PM me for your personal reading. And for the crystals, for now, yan muna. Let's see the bonus reading. And that would be the Libra reading for the month of October.